What's up, YouTube? So I'm out here on a group ride. It's like the holiday ride in Houston. We got the big time celebs out. We got Dylan Thompson in front of me in Surron Country, somewhere up there. Talon. I feel like a fucking nerd, but that's okay. Having fun. Kind of worried about the range on this thing, so I'm going to keep an eco the whole time. Oh, that guy's big. He's doing wheelies. I can probably learn to do wheelies too. It's a pretty cool ride. I don't get to ride out here much because I'm about 20 miles south of here. But getting down here once in a while is kind of fun. Uh-oh. Somebody eat shit. Or is that a regular biker? Okay, yeah. The ride's about 20 miles, so I think I should be plenty good in eco mode. And this isn't just the whole bunch, this is just the people that met up on Shiba, and there's some other place. Apparently it's going to be a lot more people up there. Got a bunch of cops right here. Cop cars anyways, I wonder what they're going to say, if anything. Interesting, got some dudes fishing down there. In downtown Houston, that's interesting.
Man, you get a new helmet every time I see you.
Alright, so we're just over here chilling. It's awkward as shit because I'm kind of a loner. I don't like groups. But you get all the celebs over here hanging out. We'll drive by everyone and take a look at the bikes and shit. A lot of cool fucking bikes. It's kind of a mix of Super 73s, Surrons, and talarias. Some gas bikes.
What up?
Looks like some kind of festival going on over here. A little swap meet. I wonder if they have this every weekend.
Hey, that's mommy, daddy's money right there. Get rid of that burnout.
Alright, we're finally riding. It looks like a mostly Super 73 Surrons and talarias, a couple gas bikes. Yeah, what's cool about this is you don't need sport mode on rides like this. You can just leave it in eco and cruise, because everyone's just going slow, stunting, wheelies if you can. So I could probably do like a 45 mile ride like this if I needed to.